First GoPro scene. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be great.
All right, Carly, you ready for this action?
So ready for this action.
Okay, so we're gonna skate the big loop backwards the hard way.
Cool.
So we get more butt workout. Then we're gonna meet over there on the grass. Then we do a tiny little ab and booty session, and then we do it again. We repeat it 3 times.
Like, the whole thing?
Yeah.
The whole thing we did the other day that I almost died?
Yeah, but it's more light out, so you'll be fine.
That's how that works.
Just remember, you used to hang upside down by your foot in my crotch. Got this.
Are we good? Okay.
Glad you've been working out with me lately.
Me too.
It makes me very happy.
It makes me so happy. I was so excited. I told BJ that I have another skate date with Jen.
I was going to invite you the other day, but it was 7 o'clock in the morning, and I know how
Yeah, no. I saw that one and I was like, I would have been a pass anyway. She knows me.
Yeah, I know.